Hi YouTube, hi friends, how are you? I'm doing good. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun, bright, colorful makeup. I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't already, but if you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is. I enjoyed our teeny bitty time together. Today is collab day. I'm collabing with ever so amazing and gorgeous Erica Conger on YouTube. So if you haven't already gone and subscribed, liked, comment, done all the things for her, then do it or you're gonna get smacked. Okay? Okay. We chose to do just like any sort of look using two palettes. So I chose the Beauty Bay Jade palette and then the Nomad Haunted Europe palette, aka my two favorite palettes in my collection so far. There will be timestamps down below along with just links for everything that is like on my face and used in this video. So without further ado, let's get into it. Look at the background. We did it. I did this in like, I don't know, 3 hours. The decorations and everything will be up by the next video, but yeah. Most importantly, today is collab day. It is with the ever so amazing, gorgeous, stunning, just all around amazing person, Erica Conger here on YouTube. We are just playing with some makeup today, taking I think like 3 shades from our, I don't know, just 2 random palettes. I chose my 2 favorite ones, but yeah. So I chose the Beauty Bay Jade 42 pan palette, which looks like this, and the Nomad Haunted Europe palette, which looks like this. I'm super excited about this. I kind of have an idea. I realized that these color stories are actually kind of like really similar. So that'll be fun. But yeah, I'm so excited to do this today. I love Shani and I love Erica and I love Jan, and getting to collab with them is amazing. So I'm hoping that I can do one with Jan and Shani again soon, but getting to do one with Erica is just amazing. Also, if these are red, it's because it's toasty in here. But as always, I'm going to prime my eyes with the REM Beauty Concealer in Fair to N, and then set it with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Translucent Powder. Okay, so this is the color story I chose. This is Bloody Mary, this is Grendel, and this is Holo Baku Forest. That is Orion, Tourmaline, and Chakra. I think this is gonna be super fun. It's super pretty. I might change it up a little bit, but I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I might add in that Highgate Cemetery shade right there too, just cause, yeah. I think that's gonna be the color story for today, which I'm really excited about. So let's get into this. To start, I think I'm going to go in with that Chakra shade right there from the Beauty Bay Jade palette to start with. I'm going to take that on my Unearthly UC87 brush and just plop that into the crease area here. As I said before, I'm just so excited to get to collab with Erica again. I absolutely love and adore her. She's been such an amazing person, she's an amazing person in general, but just like amazing with me throughout my whole dad passing and the trauma, and just talking with me and keeping up to date on me and asking how I'm doing. I appreciate her so much. Along with Shani, you two have just been the absolute best with that. Okay, now that I have this Chakra shade here, I think I'm going to go in now with that Orion shade, that like army green shade right there, still with this Unearthly UC87. Just plopping it in here. If you do not know who Erica Conger is, she is literally the queen of collabs. If you want to collab with her, she will freaking do it. And it doesn't matter how many subscribers you have, how long you've been doing YouTube. She loves to collab with people and make sure that people are like, and you know, prompting people that you probably haven't seen before and probably would love out through her channel. I think that's so incredibly amazing. She's not somebody that thinks of herself. She is such a lover, and I love her. I love her so much. I think I'm gonna go in with that Grendel shade from the Nomad palette now. Again, still with this unearthly brush because I don't ever really change up my brush. I'm only taking that into the crease area here, just right below all that, and just dragging it down this way. Also, I promise this is one of the last Nomad videos you'll be getting from me for a while. I feel like pretty much all of them have been Nomad and then Beauty Bay. So don't worry, we have new stuff coming. It won't be the same brand over and over and over. But I'm really liking how that looks. I think you guys are gonna be like, oh my gosh, I'm putting that brush away for right now. Look at me. Are you proud of me? I think I'm going to go in, now with that Bloody Mary shade. This eyeshadow right here is the main reason why I chose this palette. I am so utterly in love with that shade right there. I can't with it. But I'm going to be taking that on my Refer 02. See, look at, we're not just using the unearthly one. And we're popping that into this area right here. And just forward a little bit. Also, if you can hear that, that is my neighbor's AC turning on, which we should probably turn ours on, but I'm just plopping that into this open area right here, just on pretty much where the pupil would be in your eye. Just dabbing it in to make sure I get the color pigment payoff. I'm gonna wipe the brush off a little and then just make sure that I have it here in the inner corner area. Going back in with that unearthly brush and just what is ever left on there and just dragging it forward here, like so. And I think I'm going to go still in with this unearthly brush a little and just slightly blend this together here. I like it. My vibe for this was like grungy, fairy, cottagecore. I've been lost in the woods. I'm by a bog. I'm one with my surroundings type vibe. I think I'm gonna go in now with my cheater shade. My cheater shade is this Highgate Cemetery shade right there. I'm gonna be taking that on my Refer 21 and plopping that into right here and up. This is when I wish that I had like little pearl looking gems for my eyes, because I feel like that would just really bring all this together. But yeah, I'm queen of the bog right now. Or the swamp, since I'm a Shrek fan. But now that I have that just kind of sitting in there, I do think I'm going to go in with my finger instead of a brush for that Hoya Baku Forest shade right there. Also, what's all over my nails is paint. It's not dirt. I'm just going to be taking a little bit of that on my finger and just sort of plopping that in here a little. It's really almost muddy, but I don't care. I think I'm gonna go in maybe with a little bit more of that Orion shade right there. Back in with my Unearthly here. Just right in there. Because you know what I realized I haven't used yet? That's on me. I have not used the black shade yet. Why didn't y'all not tell me? I'm kind of mad at y'all for that. But we're going to be going in with that shade right there. The tourmaline shade. We're going to be starting with the Redford 13 and then probably going back in with that Unearthly brush. But we're just going to be popping that into out here and sort of smoking, deepening it out. I'm just using this Redford to kind of have for placement. And then for to blend, I'm going to use the Unearthly. Once I blended that out, I did go in with that Bloody Mary shade on my finger just a little bit. I think this is where I'm going to keep it. It is dirty, muddy, a mess, and I love it. I freaking love it. So this is what I'm going to keep it at. I think I might put a little bit of that shade right there that even was in camera view in the inner corner. I think we'll probably smoke it out down here, but that is, I'll be back for that. So can you see me? Can you see me? The shine is immense today. I finished everything off. I used, obviously, the Blend Bunny palette. I used the Juicy Cheeks. I used this shade right here called Mouthwatering for the blush. And then I used Transient and Phenomena. Oh, we just had a lot of follow. Transient and Phenomena for highlight here. I did put Phenomena up in here. Yeah, she's pretty, she's shiny. I'm hoping that this cloud goes away. I don't know. I feel like I'm like really drowned out now to the background because of the background. For the under eye, I'm thinking, I don't know, do we smoke it out down here? I don't know. I kind of want to leave it, but I also kind of don't. I think we will leave it for now. Look at me. Look at me. I did put a little bit of mascara, the Sky High one from Maybelline down there. I'm thinking for a lip, we're going to go dark. I kind of vibing with this. This is the NYX Lingerie in Exotic. She's old as hell. This is the lip. I'm kind of vibing with it. I think it brings out that. I'm very tempted to just plop a little bit more of that up there, but I think this is where we're going to keep it for now. So this is a little close-up, a little look of this look. I absolutely adore it. I think this is so pretty. It's so gorgeous. The shine of the highlight though, like, my god, she's shiny. Can you see me? But again, thank you, Erica, for collabing with me. I truly freaking adore you and love you, and just I'm so appreciative to have you in my life. If you haven't already gone and checked out Erica's channel, please go do that. I know I already said that in this video, but please go do that. Leave a comment. I don't know, do something. Go say hi to her. But if you made it to this point in the video, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. A couple things before you go. Remember to not be a piece of shit. Do not be homophobic. Do not be transphobic. Do not be racist. There's so many better things to be doing with your time, your money, and your energy. And I understand that you don't understand it, and I understand you do not like it, but that is something that you need to take a step back and reflect on and do better on, because my god, it is 2024. Pull your head out of your asses. It's not that hard to be inclusive and decent. It's really not that freaking hard. And remember to be taking care of yourself, to be getting enough water, enough food, just making sure that you're taking care of yourself, enough self-care days, not just be such a people pleaser, just doing shit for you, because you matter and you need to be taking care of yourself. So again, if you made it to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see your cute face next time.